sooner or later, everything you see online is gonna be AI generated. So you're seeing videos like Stephen Hawking wrestling Albert Einstein in the WWE. You're seeing Martin Luther King rapping with Drake. You're seeing Kobe Bryant with a streaming channel playing NBA 2K. You're seeing all these things of these public famous figures, historical figures. You could not tell the difference. I wouldn't say it's 4K, it's probably 1080p. But this is just one release. Meta came out with Vibes, their AI generated feed. Google's coming out with their AI generated feed. Suno, which is like the music generator, is coming out with a music video feed. And 11 Labs and HeyGen, Kling, they're all coming out with AI generated content. So what we believe and what we see online is going to change. And it's gonna change about what, like if you know, they call the Diet Coke a liquid cigarette, right? So like if you go on social media just to like scroll, right? And it's just like your feed, that's gonna change because 80% of the things that you're scrolling is gonna be AI generated soon. So then where do you go for the community part of social media? ByteDance, TikTok is gonna come out with their AI generated video feed as well. So social media and how we connect and what we see when we open social media, so I'm not talking about future, this is like coming out now of how things are gonna change. So we need to change our perspective of like what we see online, the things that we believe, how we vet and validate those things, and asking the AI to validate itself. Give me the sources of the things that you're telling me. I think Perplexity is great for that, right? Because it cites the sources and where to pull that information. Now that you have browse-enabled, web-enabled citations within AI, that's gonna be extremely important because you weren't supposed to trust it as a source of truth at first. Now we all do. The same way that we trust, oh, it was on the internet, it must have been true, right? Oh, the AI ChatGPT gave it to me as an answer, it must have been true. But now you can ask it to attribute, where did you get that answer from?